So the sound in this video was terrible because I clean my phone with alcohol every day and I messed up the speaker in my phone, so I definitely have to get a new phone, which I was trying to avoid. But I can actually remember what I was saying. While I was sitting in the car, I was contemplating going into the Orange Theory, which is a fitness gym, and I just was sitting there talking myself into either going in or going back home. And so I sat in the car for a good 10 minutes, and then I just pressed record on my phone. So yeah, I gotta get a mount for my camera because now I've messed up the speaker on my phone, which I hate because I like to do recordings on my phone. And this video did come out quite cute for my phone. So yeah, I'm just sitting in the car contemplating, am I going in there or not? Which seems to be somewhat scary because I'm still in the car. But I'll just show you guys what it looks like inside in the next video, in the next clips. So yeah, I'll be back.
I didn't work out well then. Switch it up, obviously.
Zero fire? Alright, so that's how many calories you burn? 400 calories in the fast. Yeah, that's funny, right?
Yeah, so I actually burnt tons of calories that day, which I do every day because I am constantly moving. I'm never like sitting in one place doing nothing. I'm always keeping myself busy. And so I just took some photos that probably will never get posted because I was about to shoot a video, which I'm probably going to delete per usual. But yeah, and I went out that day as well just to get a head start on Easter, and I picked up this matcha. Let me tell you about the matcha. Disgusting, okay? This was not gonna be my thing. I am not gonna follow trends. This is disgusting. And I had a banana nut warmed loaf, and it was so good. It made drinking that impossible matcha better. But yeah, and I just went by Marshall's Home Goods to look if I can find some Easter baskets. And so yeah, stay tuned for that.
We off the grid, this for my kid. Bro, when my kid, sad kid. Everything we did for the crib, everything we did, how we live. All this smoke got a scent, all that smoke Kevin sent. Everything I spoke, what I meant, never disguised my intent. Lines outside the event.
So this is my favorite time of the day. I'm getting ready for bed and I'm about to wash my face and remove whatever makeup I have on my skin. And so yeah, we came to the end of the video, and I want to thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be bringing you a daytime and nighttime skincare video. Some tips and tricks as well that I've been doing lately to just clear up my skin really well after eating so badly for like months. So guys, if you're interested in that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Exhausted, never the right time to go. Gotta the right time to go. Never the right time to go. Love you, how many choose? Gotta make it right for you. Gotta make it right before you. Anybody wanna feel like everything's gonna be right? Do me over to hold me, and I let it all out. God, please let it all right. Get right, let it feels right. Nothing else ever feels right. Nothing else ever feels right. Feels right. Exhausted, never the right time to go. Gotta the right time to go. Never the right time to go. Love you, how many choose? Gotta make it right for you. Gotta make it right before you. Anybody wanna feel like everything's gonna be right? Do me over to hold me, and I let it all out. God, please let it all right. Get right, let it feels right. Nothing else ever feels right.